welcome to an unboxing. I ordered a lot of Mart blind box figures. I'm excited to unbox them. I can show off my box cutter, finally. Yeah. My trusty weapon away. And we have cool stuff, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I got 5 blind boxes from the Mare of Animals Skull Panda series, and the reason why I ordered so many was to be eligible to buy this The Glimpse by Skull Panda. So cute. You had to buy at least 3 blind boxes to be eligible to buy this. And then I bought the other 2 to get free postage. So I fell for their marketing. And I am excited to unbox 5 new figures. It's gonna be so fun. Okay, number 1. These are the options. I would really like to get the secret rare, but it's a 1 in 144 chance of getting, so I don't think it's too likely. I do like all the designs. I would like to get the butterfly one as well, the blue morpho. I'm excited. Alright, the Mare of Animals. Let's see, what did I... Okay, should I look at the card first? I'll go in the line. Back within a box. Pop Mart, make something fun. I got... Oh, I got the unicorn. Oh, that's really cool. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm happy with this one. I'm hoping as well I don't get any repeats. And oh, I've got mini cards. Look at these mini cards. Okay, next one. Okay, number 2. What did I get? Oh, nice. Got the wolf one. Nice. I really like these Marvel thingies. How smooth that is. Oh, they look cute together. And it's the mini card. Okay, number 3. So 3 more chances to get the secret rare. Oh, nice. Nice, it's blocked. I think this one has a mask as well. It does, it comes with a little mask. And the card. So that's how it looks with the mask on. These cards are a lot smaller than the other ones. Okay, so this should be magnetic. Oh, that's cute. Easy assembly. Oh, that's nice. That's cute. Yeah, I think Skull Panda has mastered the creepy cute look. I do really appreciate the flocking. It's a nice touch. Okay. Second last one. I want to get a display case for these as well. What could it be? Is it gonna be? Yes! Okay, I wanted to pull this one. Oh, she is so cute. And she comes with other stuff. Oh, she gets a special base. Oh, nice. Look at all this stuff. Yeah. So thanks to these instructions, the base is complete. Ah, isn't it cute? The card was at the top, so I had a heads up of which one I'd pull. They look good together. Alright, last one. So hopefully it's not a repeat. In this case scenario, it's the secret rare. But I'm happy with my pulls. What's it gonna be? It is. Oh, nice! This is the mascot. Or the one they put on the cover. Is it? Oh, it's the one that's on the cover on the online store. Nice. And it gets a special base. It's the penguin. Cute. Look at the little penguin. Okay. I think she's stable. I'm super happy with my pulls. I got the one I wanted from the set and I didn't get any repeats, so I'm super happy. Love all their designs. Thanks for watching and see ya.